Hello, and welcome to Tween Lab Bag. My name is Kinsey and I am the Youth Services Librarian here at the Boyle County Public Library. Today we are going to be following along to our instructions on how to grow crystals. So the main ingredient that we are going to be using to grow the crystals is Epsom salt. So you should have everything that you need in your kit. So I'll go over the list very quickly here. You should have 1/4 cup of Epsom salt. Mine is already in its little measured out container. Yours will be pre-measured. You'll need 1/2 cup of water. I've gone ahead and put it in my jar. Speaking of which, you will need a glass jar. That should also be in your kit. This is the little stopper that comes with it. And then you can have some food coloring. That'll also be in your kit. And then you'll have a string and a little pebble to weigh it down. So I've gone ahead and tied mine. See that there? Yeah. So it'll be all ready to go. So let's get started. First thing we are going to need to do is heat up our water. It's important that the water is heated up because the heat will help dissolve the salt when we add that in. So let's go on over to the microwave and heat up our water until it's just barely boiling. I think we're going to need a little more. There you go. You see how it has some condensation there? That is what we want. Be careful when you take your water out of the microwave. You may want to wear like an oven mitt or have your grown-up help. Alright, so we have our water that we just heated up. Go ahead and add your Epsom salt. Stir away. We want to get as much of it dissolved as possible, ideally all of it. Again, be careful of the hot jar and the hot water. I think I've got it all. So you can see how it is all dissolved. Now, the next step, the crystals will need something to grow on. So that is where your stone and string come in handy. I've gone ahead and tied it to a pencil so that way it can rest over the jar like so. So you should have your string go just barely to the bottom with your stone, and then it is tied on the top. So now we wait for our crystals to grow. I am going to let this wait overnight and we will see what we get. Some tips for growing smaller or larger crystals are on your instruction sheet, so I'll go ahead and read those right now. For growing large crystals, place them in a sunny location where the temperature is warm, and then that way the evaporation can concentrate on the liquid. wait several hours or a full day. If you want to grow short crystals, then place it in a cold location like your refrigerator. Wait 30 minutes to a couple hours. So I'm going to see if I can grow some large crystals. So I'm going to go find a nice sunny spot and set up our crystals.